What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of the 52 Ford F1 build. I wanted to start things out a little bit different, so I got some live action going for you guys. You got Jimmy prepping the chassis. I'm working on the very rear of the chassis, building the cross member, and getting things done, guys, so stay tuned. All right, Jimbo,
Hey, what's up?
what we got going on over here?
Make some templates to box in this frame, make it look good and straight.
Oh Lord. So guys, we got both sides. We got the frame flip back over now. It's right side up. Jimmy's over here working on the templates to box out. We're gonna do them in 2 sections. There'll be this longer straight section on both sides, and then we'll go ahead and match it up right here and run it all the way to the back. The last clip you guys just saw, I'm working on the cross member to replace this one and go ahead and put it back here. So that one's over here, guys. I laid down some decent welds. Good thing they're gonna get ground down. This will be nice and smooth and flush on the back. But yeah, we got, what else? We got that front done too. All the hardware's out, everything's out. Got it all nice and cleaned up. We got it trimmed as well so that it's flush with the upper frame rail. Hit it with that weld-through primer so we can go ahead and box this area out. And yeah, guys, we're gonna get ready to start throwing some parts in here soon. Once we make these templates, get them tacked in, we'll go ahead and burn them all in, and then there'll be time to start hanging some chassis parts, guys. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and blend out that back cross member, and then we'll go ahead and get this one out of here, guys. So I'll be back with you shortly. All right, guys. We got lots of progress done today. As you can tell, we got both of the frame rails boxed in. We're still gonna go ahead and box in from here back. I only have 4 foot sections to work with, so we did the first 4 foot right there. Got the driver's side knocked out. The top is all welded on both of these, but we're gonna flip the chassis and weld the bottoms and blend them out. Should be pretty quick and easy. Today is a light Friday, so we're out of here. What else? Got that back cross member made for that, so that way we can get rid of this one like I was talking about earlier. And yeah, so Monday I'll blend all this out, and then we'll flip it, weld the other side, blend that all down, and then we'll be ready to start hanging some suspension. Jimmy is gonna work on the front while I do some of the work in the back. That way we can keep both multitasking on it, and yeah, start hanging a lot of this stuff. So that's gonna wrap today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys learned something. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on Monday.